my hair. It's just so freaking healthy. I trimmed off some inches, but sis is still growing. Hey guys, Miko Star here. Welcome back to my channel. You guys already know my brows are already done, but your girl just filmed her makeup tutorial. Makeup tutorial. Cut. Your girl just filmed this eyebrow tutorial. Y'all asked and I delivered. Okay? We're just gonna hop straight in, no talking. You guys already seen the look earlier, so I'm pretty sure you're already aware of how bomb it is. Nevertheless, let's get into this video. Double dotty had me in my situation. So I'm not using my traditional cut crease brush, which is this one right here. This is like a more flat, you know, curvy kind. I'm actually going to use, this is a brush by the Makeup Bar. It's like an angle brush. I already put concealer on it. It's by the Makeup, and this is like the traditional one that I usually use. And I found that when I used a similar brush like this the other day, that my cut crease came out really sharp. So I'm going to be using something similar, because I used to use this one. If you're an OG of the channel, here I go again trying to look for that brush. Oh, it's right in front of my face. This is the first brush that I've ever used to cut a crease. Do you see how small that is in comparison to what I use now? How times have changed. So I'm going to be using this one right here and just cut my crease. So the lashes that I'm deciding to put on is these lashes. Right here. These are by Dezora Lashes in the style Chigona. I don't know. Somebody help me out. Y'all know I'm bad at pronouncing words. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna put these on right now. So I just went ahead and put my lashes on. If you guys would like to purchase these lashes, you can head over to www.DezoraLashes.com. No, DezoraCosmetics.com. I'm sorry. And enter in code MakeupSize16 at checkout for money off. Let's go ahead and do my foundation because I look crazy. I look really crazy. Okay. Hello. Hi, my friend. If you aren't a subscriber to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. But if you are a subscriber, hey girl, welcome back. So I guess you're wondering why I'm here. I guess I'm wondering that same thing. No, I'm just kidding. So I'm here because, well, I'm just want to start something new on my channel. I want to start something new, refresh, and fun. Here I have a mystery scripture. I know. Probably wondering where it is in the Bible. But if you already know where it is in the Bible, go ahead and comment that below. The first one to comment this scripture and where it is located in the Bible will receive a shout out. You'll receive a shout out on my YouTube, you'll receive a shout out on my Instagram, and you'll receive a shout out on my Snapchat. So if you're not following me on those platforms, you might want to do that now. So just to make my page fun and incorporate God in everything that I do, go ahead and figure out where this scripture belongs. Without further ado, let's get on with the video. Bye. Okay, I don't know, it's just so pretty and cute. Hope that you guys enjoyed this beautiful look. I don't know where it was inspired from. I honestly just was going with the flow. I didn't even know I was going to create something like this. Honestly, I thought it was going to be, here I go with this word, neutral. Guess I already know. I just go off the border. And then I thought like, okay, boom, I could do it like some type of ombre, and then it just ended up being all chocolate. You just never know with me. Sometimes you take what you can get. But yes, hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. As always, please feel free to hit that subscribe button before you guys leave. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. What else is there to say? Nevertheless, never stress, always blessed. Period.